Welcome to a demonstration of DOCSConnect, Team's Documents Cloud Service connector for WebCenter content. Oracle's WebCenter content is a market leader in the enterprise content management and records management spaces. The ability to create and evolve strong metadata models and internal workflow processes to account for content items, digital assets, managed records, and web content make the platform an ideal and powerful tool in any enterprise's war against the chaos of unstructured content. Documents Cloud Service, commonly referred to as DOCS, is an Oracle public cloud offering which brings the best elements of the file sync and share market into the enterprise. DOCS allows you to manage and share digital content with a wider audience than your on-premises solutions while still maintaining the enterprise levels of security and control that your business demands. Combining these two platforms with DOCSConnect expands your content management capabilities into what's called a hybrid model of content management. Some examples of this might be a bank that needs documents signed by a customer. They share out forms in a secured folder. The customer downloads and signs the items and then has permission to upload them back to the secured folder. Or a corporation with hundreds or thousands of employees. Read-only folders for each employee can be created, giving them 24/7 access to their own materials, such as offer letters, commendations, or reprimands. What about a consulting firm needing to simply share project work product with clients in an easy but secure manner? Or how about a simple way to migrate thousands or even tens of thousands of content items quickly and easily from any number of contributors right from the desktop level? Each of these use cases are not only possible, they are in fact quite likely. Let's take a look now at DOCSConnect in action on a basic level of hybrid content management. Our connector is a simple component that's installed into your WebCenter Content 11G system, and this means no extra hardware or operational costs. Once installed, an administration panel allows you to easily configure the operation of the enhancement. To enable the connection, you simply provide a URL and a username and password. Other configurations, such as service timing, conflict resolution, and deletion priority, are all managed here as well. The connector works with WebCenter Content's framework folders infrastructure. Here we see a folder, and within that, a piece of content. Clicking into the info panel, we can see any metadata assigned and that this item only has one revision. Let's assume I'd like to provide collaborative access to this folder to someone who doesn't have access to my on-premises WebCenter content platform. To accomplish this, the connector works by linking a framework folder in Content to a folder in Documents Cloud Service, so we'll need a target folder in Docs. Switching over and logging in, we can see the folders that are already present in this account. Now let's create a new folder just for this sync. And there. Obviously it's empty, since it's brand new. Now let's switch back to WebCenter, and with DOCSConnect enabled, all you have to do to sync a folder is use the Action menu and select Sync to Cloud. Now we select the target folder, DOCSConnect Video, and click OK. DOCSConnect action menu items are available only to users with administrative privileges. On initial mapping, the DOCSConnect service runs, and we're now given a visual indicator that this folder has been synced to the cloud. If we switch back to Documents Cloud Service and reload our previously empty folder, we now find the item from WebCenter content has been synced. Clicking the title brings up the preview of the item. Let's make an edit to the item and check in a new version to WebCenter. First, we'll check the item out, and instead of downloading it, we'll update a local copy here on my laptop. There. I save it, and now we upload this new version to the content server. Now we can see the item has 2 revisions. Behind the scenes, the scheduled sync job is running every 5 minutes and it picks up the change. After it runs, we can see that the item in Docs has also been updated to version 2, and again, clicking on the title shows us a preview and we can see the edit I just made. Now let's try it from the other side. First, I'll use Oracle's Sync Manager to bring this cloud folder down to my local file system. There. Now the folder and content have been replicated to the My Oracle Documents folder, so let's open it and edit it from here. I save it and close. Sync Manager now recognizes a change has been made locally and transfers it up to Docs. This results in a new version in the cloud, version 3, and in the preview, we can now see the content I added from the desktop edit. Back in WebCenter content, the DOCSConnect service will have polled Documents Cloud Service and found the updated version. It transferred the new version from Docs to WebCenter and checked it in, also as revision 3. When we take a look at the content itself, we can see the edit made from the desktop has now completed its journey from there to Docs to WebCenter. Now let's share our Docs folder to a user who does not have access to WebCenter content. We'll make my colleague a contributor on this folder so he can add items and make changes. He now receives a notification that he's been shared a new folder, and it will appear in his Docs root level. I've asked him to look over the document and make any edits he sees fit, as well as add any supporting materials to the folder. When my colleague lets me know he's done, I check back in the Docs folder and can see several new items he's added. Thanks to DOCSConnect, each of those items and the new revision of the document have been synced to WebCenter content, even though he does not have access to that system. As you can see, DOCSConnect provides easy access for materials to move in and out of WebCenter content, allowing an unprecedented level of collaboration. Content stays synced from both sides, allowing everyone access to the latest versions, no matter where they are. If you're interested in receiving more information about, or a personal demonstration of DOCSConnect, Team's Documents Cloud Service connector for WebCenter content, give us a call or drop us an email. Thank you.